Welcome to BrandBytes, my low-calorie, high-impact brand strategy appetizers by me, Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert with Brand Ascension. This BrandByte number 7 is about reinvigorating and reigniting the relationship you have with your own business. As a small business owner, let's be honest. There are times when we ask ourselves, is this really what I should be doing? Or will it get any better than this? Or even, I thought it would be more fun owning a business. These questions are quite similar to what we may ask as we enter into and begin developing a personal relationship with one another. Whether we have just started our own business or have been running the business for years, there are times when our emotions ebb and flow with passion and motivation, and back to uncertainty and sometimes even fear. First of all, you're not alone. I see this all the time with my client businesses. It seems like the nature of the beast as an entrepreneur, but I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. If your business isn't going where you want it as fast as you want it, then I would suggest you take a look at whether or not you are clear on the value position your brand has with not only in your own mind, but in the mind of your market. Think about it. If you're not clear on your own brand's DNA, then how can your market be clear? Brand clarity is the basis for action and ultimately your competitive advantage. So when you put a stake in the ground around your core values, your brand style attributes, and then you can articulate what makes you truly different in your market space, then and only then you can begin to build and appreciate what you uniquely bring to the table. And knowing your own awesomeness is the first step in intentionally creating and acknowledging your value position. When you realize this position, you will become more inspired and passionate about impacting your target markets with the products and the services that you offer. So you will begin to carve out a niche and become known as the go-to expert in your field and falling back in love with the brand you've identified and defined. I've been lucky enough to see this happen over and over again with my clients. So the bottom line is, if you haven't taken the time to really look at and define your brand's DNA, then you're not giving your brand a chance to step forward and live its own potential. Go ahead, get reinvigorated with your business. Do your due diligence and apply best practices from successful brands by getting to know it at a deeper level and uncovering your own brand's DNA. You'll be glad you did. I can hear your heart begin to flutter already. Well, there you have it. That is my BrandByte for this time. I hope you didn't get too full. For more information on my step-by-step business branding process and my book, Brand DNA, or a brand breakthrough session with me, go to brandascension.com. And remember, your brand is your business. Thanks for elevating conscious branding in business.